on the verge of a global pandemic. You are the only known carrier of this virus. That makes you patient zero.
Your brother and I conspired to pull this off. One last night of freedom with the old crew, full of deer, sun, and virgin beaches. Beaches.
Deserted paradise, huh?
It's supposed to be Virgin Beach.
Nobody home. Wish us luck.
What happened?
Graveyard out there.
Penny thinks she saw something.
Josh, what happened?
I think Penny's sick.
Listen, Penny needs help. There was a structure on the north side of the island. It's worth a shot.
Hey, Mark! Is anybody there? We need medical attention, please.
Ridiculous.
What happened in here?
The girl on her boat.
you move.
He could never leave this island.
Stay the hell away from me.
Why?
Where's Josh?
You can't just keep experimenting on me.
What we have in that cage, it is the engine of a new life form, and make no mistake, it wants to destroy us.
You should have left when I told you. He's gonna leave you behind.